Hello everyone. Good morning to everybody. You are most welcome in our English YouTube channel, English Literature and Grammar class. Dear viewers, I am Brijmohan Balai, Assistant Professor in English, Government College, Manor Thana, in District Jhalawar in Rajasthan. You know, dear students, today we are going to enjoy the famous poem Lucifer in Hell, which has been taken from the famous Greek epic Paradise Lost. And Paradise Lost was a great epic which was composed by John Milton in and it was published in 1667. At that time, it was divided into 10 books. Later, in 1672, it was extended into 12 books, and the present poem Lucifer in Hell has been lifted from the first book. You will be very glad to listen that there are two types of stories in Paradise Lost. The as the title suggests, Paradise Lost, who who lost paradise. First, the story is about Lucifer, and Lucifer's other name was also Satan, and this is the fall of Lucifer from the heaven, and the other stories belongs to fall of man. We can say fall of Adam and Eve from the Garden of Eden, and both stories are associated to the disobedience of God. To the God, first Lucifer was disobedience to God, so he was fallen from heaven to hell, and later in second story Adam and Eve were also fallen from Garden of Eden. So the main purpose of the epic was to just is to justify was to justify the ways of God to the men. So let's we start the present poem Lucifer in Hell, and because we should know the introductory stories. What is the stories? Once Lucifer was very unhappy because he thought that his seniority was neglected by the god, as because the delivery of power of authority was transferred to God's Son Christ, and his seniority and wisdom was neglected. That's why Lucifer was so angry, and with his flower angels he waged a 3 days war in the heaven to restore his position, but at the end of the war he and his follower angels were defeated, and they all were expelled from the heaven, and they were prisoned in the hell. And during the time from heaven to hell, they took the period of 9 days and 9 nights. So Lucifer and his follower angels were lying in the hell, and Milton describes the hateful hateful state, miserious condition of hell, where Lucifer and his follower angels were lying and suffered so much. Now let's start this poem. 9 times the space that measures day and night, to mortal man he with his horrid crew lay vanquished, rolling in the fiery gulf, confounded, though immortal, but his doom reserved him to more wrath, or now the thought. 9 times the space that measured day and night, to mortal man. 9 times the space antrix, and space between the hell and heaven took the time of 9 days and 9 nights. It means the journey of Lucifer and his follower angels took took the time of 9 days and 9 nights from the journey heaven to hell. It means hell was located for so much distance from the heaven. So they were sent to the hell from heaven by the god. He with his horrid crew lay vanquished. In the hell, he here refers to Lucifer, Lucifer and his horrid crew and his horrified crew. Crew means group. His horrified crew, flower angels. All angels and Lucifer lay vanquished, lay defeated in rolling in the fiery gulf, in the fiery gulf, in the fiery lake of fire. We can say gulf means lake, fiery, fire, and lake of fire. All Lucifer and his all follower angels were lying at the bank of the lake of fire, and they were appeared just like the defeated. Confounded, they were confounded through though immortal. They were lying there, defeated and depressed condition, although they were immortal. Milton wants to say that Lucifer and his follower angels were not mortal, but they were immortal because their body had made of heavenly substances, so their body could never be destroyed. They can never be destroyed. So they were immortal, and even God could never destroy their bodies, because just like God, their body, yeah, we can say they were made of heavenly and immortal substances. So they were immortal. But his doom reserved him to more wrath. But his doom, but his doom means vinas. But his doom was reserved him to more wrath. His doom was destined because of great wrath, great anger of God. Although they could not be destroyed, but their doom was certain. So they were destined for that great doom due to the great wrath of God. For now the thought, for now the thought that torments him continuously, was tormenting him continuously, both of lost happiness and lasting pains. Both of lost happiness and lasting pain torments him. The thought that one side he has lost the happiness of heaven because he has lost the war battle, and so that's why he has lost the happiness of the heaven. Another side, lasting pain, and he and his followers were suffering and bearing and facing the permanent continuously endless pains of hell. These thought was making him continuously, was tormenting him continuously. Round he throws his baleful eyes. As, as he he cast his baleful eyes around him, that witnessed a huge affliction and dismay. That witnessed huge application, huge afflictions, hurt, we can say miseries and dismay, depressions, and depressed condition. As far as his he throw, as he casts, as he cast his baleful eyes around him, he saw huge miserable and depressed sight, seen around him, and that suffering, miserable condition and adverse circumstances of hell made him regret, and so mixed with obdurate pride and steadfast hate. And this torment and his these um, miserable sights he was looking, and mixed with obdurate pride, and he also obstinate pridey angel, so and steadfast hate and his steadfast permanent hate to the God. So he was looking the miserable sights around him with mixed with obstinate pride and permanent hate. At once, as far as angel can he views, and he, as far as angels could see by their heavenly sights, angelic sight, eyesight, he views. So far, as far as he could see the miserable sights around him, so this is the um, miserable miserable scene of the hell where Lucifer and his flower angels were lying there, and they were suffering lots of uh, adverse circumstances. That's all for today. Thank you. Thank you for listening.